ban nang la shushu banaya ke jing Shakri bat ban nang la shushu banaya ke jing Sumar ke bapaka syagi Paidbah ke thany Umsawnongkharai Haribhoi district ka Selco Foundation menta ke singi ka nyotrik ubanaya yong arajar arpuar kalala ban pentri kam ya ke solar ha Umsawnongkharai Health and Wellness Center Haribhoi district kabolong ru ban yarap ya kene ke sub center ban yo tikna ya ke boarding electric na ke benta ki shibun ba ke jing don kam kumha ke babu dawai bat kiwe ki kor ki bor ha kene ke sub center ha ke bah kene ke singi kum gadak jong ke jing pli ya kene ke jing pentri kam ya ke solar lawan ban khap ribon daw menteri rang ba ke sarkar jelau Konrad ke sangma ha ka jing don lang jong MLA ke Omsning constituency uba Jason Saukmi Maulong ki officer jong ke Selco Foundation i Dr. Ems Imli ibdai DMHO Haribhoi district bat kiwe
di kadika solar panel la le ada kadika Selco Foundation kabal atai op bat ka NHM di long hari Haribhoi ngilale shortly thaki sub centers di kadika sub centers Umsawnongkharai kadika we kaba ngilade le mentala shisnam di lingba kadika jing ai jong kadika Selco foundation ye kadika solar namarba pilatip kum hari Haribhoi jongi ki kejutut pakadika lai di menta bakat kadika sub center kala shaka health wellness center I hap ya le ki reporting ki bada ki online ti gidan ru sakani ka daily consultation di lara ngimdan ka light electricity di shim jik kini ki dokter hangi bakin le di kala yarap shibun namar ba kinong haru kilai kami bun hi ke bangwan khang ni ki Paidbah di hadu mentana du bas dang ban khana du district obrai ba September jong 2020 la don hadu nyu fu argot ki la ban khakun ni di da ka jingdon jong ri ka solar hangi energy komod kala besuk iki kai kapur balik lagi ru langsung pan penkha ban di umdi tang kata ru kalau adon sakui ka vak ka babu vaksin kan ka bagi ILR nei ka babu ki vaksin kan di ru kalau ron dah ni ka solar di ki laptop ki ban charge ki mobile ki ban charge ki laptop ki ru la ron be kan ni ka solar kan di ka syukar pa ki no snong bakin ya bakin kam ya one nang ya one shu shakmat ban nim ya ting henry ai bagi dia wan deliver yiki kedua kha yi lung hang ni nampak ki nurse ki dokter yang ini ki pala dep iki training ki la dep iki kulik la dep nang ta shu ban kham activity shu ban penkha nang ba ka jing yap iki di ki long ki ba arlet ban iki kham lung ki ba shu kan penduna di mentaru kadika World Health Day or planet or health komod bagi hab ban kadi ka perthejungi bak ka bagi le manta kadi nakabenta khamtam nakabenta ka jungko chiya.
Afternoon to everyone and our respected honorable MLA Shri Jason Maulong, our respected director for NHM, our officials from the Selco Foundation, all the other officials from the health department, and all my dear Asha workers and all my dear friends who are gathered here today. Today happens to be the 7th of April, which is also the World Health Day. So on this day, I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you on this very, very important occasion. And it is also very appropriate that today we are here in the sub-center and we have been able to provide solar panels and solar powered energy efficient equipments to run different services in this particular sub-center. And I must take this opportunity to congratulate the health department, the NHM, the local MLA, and also thank the Selco Foundation for having installed these kind of solar systems in more than 100 sub-centers throughout the state, and they intend to increase it and cover more than 350 sub-centers in a very, very short time. The most important aspect of these kind of solar-powered system is that they help in providing the basic services at the grassroots level, and where most of the sub-centers face a large challenge in terms of stable infrastructure and also stable power supply. These kind of units and these kind of systems allow these services to be provided to the people at the grassroots level. We were just shown that there were solar-powered, energy-efficient vaccine storage systems out here, which are highly efficient. We also saw different kind of other equipments that are run on solar, and therefore once again I would like to congratulate the NHM and also congratulate and thank the Selco Foundation, which has been instrumental in doing this, and I wish the sub-center the very best, and I urge the officials and all the staff that will be running this sub-center to please use the equipments and maintain them so that we're able to provide proper service to the people of the state. Apart from that, on this day, I'm also very happy to inform you that as a government, we are very, very focused on the health sector. And in the past 2 years, during the COVID situation, we faced a lot of challenges. But with those challenges, we also saw it as an opportunity to build up the health services and the health infrastructure, which is what we have done. And a large amount of money has been spent on improving the infrastructure in the rural areas. And I can assure the people of the state that in the coming years also, that we will be spending large amount of money, especially in the rural health sector, to more importantly increase the infrastructure, improve the infrastructure, and provide better health services at the grassroots level. I also would like to inform that our ASHA workers, who have been working very, very diligently in the past, a large number of incentives which were due for many, many years, 6 years, 7 years, had not been cleared for them. And I'm happy to announce, and all of you know, that most of those incentives have been cleared for the ASHAs, including the ones that have been pending for the past 7 years, 8 years also. And we want to assure our staffs and all our manpower in the health sector that we will do our best to ensure that your interests are also taken care of, even with all the challenges that we face. So with these few words, once again, I wish the Selco Foundation, I thank them for all the hard work, and I wish each and every one of you once again the very best on this World Health Day. Thank you very much. Kublai, Mathela, and Jai Hind.